So in this video, or this episode, you'll see the process that a car undergoes to have a ceramic clear coat repaired. The C63s came in, it just had a dent on the door, and unfortunately because of the nature of the paint finish on it, we have to paint down the whole side. In a traditional sense, glass paint, you have a bigger margin, the repair margin, so it's just more user friendly from a technical perspective, like paint application. So as you'll see in this video as well, you'll see that in order to get a satisfactory repair, as in you can't see that it was repaired, we have to go down the whole side. This is exceptionally hard ceramic clear coat. So what would have taken, if this was normal clear coat, this would have been about a half an hour's worth of prep. The masking is the same, but in this case, because it was ceramic clear coat, it took about an hour to an hour and a half to sand, and exponentially more sandpaper. I'll show you how much sandpaper I used on this job to get it all sanded, and it had to be done by hand because the DA was too fast. It was just glazing over the top of the clear coat. Yeah, as you can see, this is all the sandpaper I used to sand 3 panels. What we ended up having to do was putting these disc sandpapers onto an interface pad and onto a block, and doing it all by hand. If this was a traditional clear coat, I would have used 2 sheets of paper to prep that whole side, maybe even 1 if I had to do it wet. If I had to use this wet, I would have used 1 sheet for the whole side. So now I'm just about to mix up the color. I've scanned it with the spectral. I punched it into the computer and it's given me a known formula. So now I'll just mix the color up before I put it onto the vehicle. Job's done. The color's a fantastic match. There's no sags, drips or runs. She came out good. So yeah, new vlogs. I don't know, I'm gonna see how long I can keep this up for. I still need to learn how to edit and put this shit together in a cool way so that you guys aren't bored.